In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on eBay. If you prefer a darker interface while browsing, this is a quick and useful adjustment you can make in Chrome. Since eBay doesn't always provide a built-in dark mode experience across every page, this method uses an experimental Chrome setting to force darker colors on supported websites. It only takes a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar at the top, type chrome://flags/ and then press enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. Just a quick note here. The flags page contains advanced settings that are still being tested, so it's best to change only the option you need and leave everything else as it is. Once you're on the flags page, go to the search box near the top and type auto dark mode. As you type, Chrome should filter the list and show the relevant option. You're looking for the feature related to automatically applying dark mode to web contents. This setting tells Chrome to try converting light website backgrounds into darker ones, which can make sites like eBay more comfortable to view, especially at night or during long browsing sessions. When you find that option, click the drop-down menu next to it and change the setting to enabled. After that, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser. Go ahead and select relaunch. This is necessary because Chrome needs to restart in order to apply the change properly. After Chrome reopens, head over to eBay and browse as you normally would. You should now notice that the site appears in a darker theme with backgrounds and interface elements adjusted automatically by the browser. Keep in mind that because this is a browser-driven feature, some pages may look slightly different than others, and the results can vary depending on how the site is built. In most cases, though, it creates a much darker and easier on the eyes viewing experience. If you ever want to turn this off, simply return to the same Chrome flags page, search for auto dark mode again, and switch the setting back to default or disabled. Then relaunch Chrome one more time. And that's it. That's how to enable dark mode on eBay using Chrome's auto dark mode feature.